Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another project. Today we're making a canvas grocery bag holder with an open top. Some canvas or heavyweight cotton fabric, some elastic, and just a few minutes of your time will have you ready to store all your plastic grocery sacks in one place. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and color photos. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern, or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need a canvas or heavyweight cotton fabric, a fabric strip for a hanging loop, and one piece of elastic. First, fold the top of the fabric down a ½ inch with the wrong sides of the fabric facing and press it. Fold the edge over another 3/4 inch and press it. Fold the bottom of the fabric up ½ inch with the wrong sides of the fabric facing and press it. Fold the edge over another 3/4 inch and press it. This will form the bottom casing for the elastic. Flip the piece right side up. Fold the fabric in half with the right sides facing. Open the top fold and the bottom casing and match the raw edges, and use fabric clips or pins to hold it in place. Beginning at the top, stitch the sides together using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. To reduce fraying, use an overlock stitch or a combination of a straight stitch and a zigzag stitch. Refold the top fold and bottom casing back into place. Stitch around the top fold and the bottom casing about 1/8 inch from the open edge. Be sure to leave a space to add the hanging loop and the elastic. To make the hanging loop, fold the 10-inch fabric strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other. Press it to make a crease and open it back up. Fold one side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the other side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the entire piece over and press it. Top stitch about 1/8 inch from the edges all the way around the fabric strip. Fold the strip in half to make a loop and place the raw edges of the loop inside the top opening of the casing. Secure the loop in place by stitching the casing closed. Press the loop up. Stitch across the loop one last time to hold it in the upward position. Insert the elastic and feed it through the bottom casing, adjusting it as you work it through. Pull both ends of the elastic outside the casing about 2 inches. To secure the elastic, stitch the ends together with a zigzag or straight stitch, and then feed the elastic back into the casing and readjust it. Stitch the bottom casing closed and turn the piece right side out. And just like that, just that fast, you found an easy way to get the plastic sacks tucked away while you decorate and organize your kitchen at the same time. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.